elevating business success through data analysis, strategies, insights, and real-world solutions. Introduction. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, the role of a data analyst has emerged as a linchpin for informed decision-making and strategic growth. As organizations accumulate vast amounts of data, the ability to dissect, decipher, and derive actionable insights has become paramount. This article delves into the realm of data analysis, exploring its multifaceted role in shaping business strategies, solving real-world problems, and paving the way for innovation and success. Professional content. The data analyst's role. A data analyst serves as a bridge between raw data and informed decision-making. This role involves collecting, processing, and interpreting data to uncover trends, patterns, and correlations that drive business decisions. Data analysts possess the skills to navigate complex datasets, extract meaningful insights, and transform data into actionable strategies. Crafting business strategies. Data analysts play a pivotal role in strategy formulation. By scrutinizing historical and current data, they can identify market trends, consumer preferences, and competitive landscapes. These insights guide businesses in optimizing their offerings, tailoring marketing campaigns, and positioning themselves effectively in the market. Unveiling opportunities. Data analysts are not just number crunchers, they are opportunity discoverers. By analyzing customer behavior, purchasing patterns, and demographic data, they can unveil untapped markets and segments. This information empowers businesses to expand their reach and diversify revenue streams. Real-world problem solvers. One of the key roles of a data analyst is to solve real-world challenges. By dissecting data related to operational inefficiencies, supply chain disruptions, or customer dissatisfaction, they can identify root causes and propose actionable solutions. For instance, data analysis can streamline inventory management, reduce waste, and enhance customer satisfaction. Decision-making with precision. Data-driven decision-making is the cornerstone of modern business success. Data analysts equip decision-makers with accurate, evidence-based insights that mitigate risks and maximize returns. These insights guide resource allocation, investment strategies, and product development. Innovation catalysts. Data analysts spark innovation by identifying emerging trends and predicting future market demands. By analyzing consumer feedback, competitor activities, and technological advancements, they provide businesses with a strategic advantage to develop innovative products and services. Enhancing customer experiences. Data analysts leverage customer data to enhance experiences. By analyzing feedback, preferences, and interactions, they help businesses personalize offerings, streamline customer service, and cultivate lasting relationships. Ethical considerations. While data analysis holds immense potential, ethical considerations are paramount. Data privacy, security, and transparency must be upheld to maintain trust and adhere to legal frameworks. Conclusion. In the tapestry of business evolution, the data analyst's role is woven with insights, strategies, and solutions. By navigating data complexities, analyzing trends, and providing evidence-based recommendations, data analysts drive businesses towards growth and excellence. Armed with insights, organizations can craft strategies, innovate, solve real-world challenges, and make informed decisions that define success in a data-driven world.